Hi guys, today we're going to be making Tres Leches Milk Cake. For this, in a bowl, add half a cup of melted butter. And a quarter cup of sugar. Whisk this together. Once the sugar is dissolved, add 3 eggs. Whisk. Once the eggs are whisked, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this in the mixture. Now sieve in 1 cup of self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Fold with a spatula. This is how your batter should look, light and fluffy. Line a dish with baking paper and now add the batter. Now place in the oven on 180 degrees. Now we're going to make the milk mixture. For this I have a 410 grams tin of evaporated milk. I'm going to use half of this, and a 400 gram tin of condensed milk. I'm going to use the whole tin and half a cup of milk. First add the evaporated milk, condensed. Now we're going to add the milk. Mix all of these ingredients together. Our cake is now ready. It took 17 minutes to bake. This is because it was a small cake. If you're making a bigger cake, then obviously it's going to take more time. Now leave your cake outside to cool. While your cake is cooling, put your milk mixture into the fridge. The cake has now cooled down. Now we're going to pour the milk mixture on top. First, make holes into your cake using a fork or a toothpick. Wait until the cake soaks up the milk mixture. I left the cake in the fridge overnight. This is what it looks like. Now we'll decorate it from the top with cream. For this you need 1 pot of fresh double cream. We're now going to whip the cream. This is what the cream should look like. You don't want to over whip the cream, otherwise it will be really hard to pipe it. Transfer your cream into a piping bag. We're now going to pipe the cream on top of the cake. Once the cream is piped on top of the cake, you can decorate with pistachios. I've grinded a handful. This delicious Tres Leches milk cake is now ready. It looks so delicious. We're now going to serve this. The cake is now ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with friends and family. Thanks for watching.